Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. I have been trying to spend less on groceries, but also try to eat healthier, and we eat a lot of bread in our house. So I wanted to get a bread maker that would be easier for me to use, but also make really, really good bread. And let me tell you, this KBS bread maker is amazing. It is so easy to use, but it has so many options. I cannot wait to explore. I started off with a medium for my first loaf, and on the soft bread setting, I literally just put all the ingredients in this bread maker and let it go. And 3 hours later, I had a perfect loaf of bread. I also really appreciated that it came with an oven mitt and everything required to measure and mix the bread. It has 710 watt dual heaters and a 2-pound ceramic non-stick pan. We also really like pizza in our family, so I was excited to be able to make pizza dough in my bread maker. If you're looking for a bread maker that's easy to use but has a ton of options and also looks super nice sitting out on your counter, this one will absolutely not disappoint. I love it so much and you will too. But that's just my point of view.